You're trying to replace your Turtle Beach earpads, but you don't know how. Well, you've got to the right place. Hey everyone, this is Or from Wicked Cushions with another video, and today I'm going to show you how to replace the earpads on your Turtle Beach headphones. I already made this video before, but it was a long time ago and the quality wasn't very good, so it's time for the 2020 version. In the video today, I'm using the Turtle Beach Stealth 600 PlayStation Edition, but the same method is going to apply for all of the models that you're going to see scrolling down right now. Did it finish scrolling? All right, done. Before we start, please like this video and subscribe to our channel. It will really help us with the work that we do on this channel, and it will help other people see this video as well. Now let's get on to replacing these earpads. Okay, so let's start. The first step is going to be removing the old earpads. The way you're going to remove the earpads is you're going to hold on to them like this with 2 fingers inside and then your thumb on the outside, and you're just going to basically pull it to the opposite direction. You'll see that it slips out of its socket. I'm going to do it to the other side. Now the way that these earpads stay in place is that there's this backside leather lip that goes inside the socket that is around the ear cup. Now for the earpads, I'm going to use our upgraded gaming earpads, the black camo, and let me show you how to install them. So you want to hold the earpad like this with your index finger pointing it, and then you want to start from the top. So what we're going to try to do is we're going to try to get the upside lip. We're going to try to get some of it inside by just sliding it in, as you can see right now. And then this is very important. You want to hold it with your free hand and not let it go, because now you're going to stretch out the earpad to fit all around the socket. So if you let go, you're going to just lose all of your progress. So every time you're about to, let's say you flip the headphones, put your hand, make sure you always keep pressure in so the socket, so the lip does not slip away. And then as you can see, I just stretch it out from the inside. Then I shuffle it a little bit. And the last step is I take a card, something firm like a credit card, or in my case a Dave & Buster's card, and I just tuck it in. Now I'm going to move to the other side. Now that wasn't too bad, was it? By the way, if you want to try our upgraded gaming black camo earpads or any other design or material that we have for sale, we have a coupon especially for you. Simply click the top right corner right now and go grab your coupon. That is it for today's video. I hope that it was helpful, and I hope that I showed you how easy it is to replace your earpads on your Turtle Beach headphones. If you have any other questions, don't hesitate to contact us simply by commenting down below, or we have our contact info in the description. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this every month. Now go out there and enjoy your new cushions.